G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation, the insulation team. Anyway, just up on this roof, and we, before we start insulating it with the cellulose fibre, we've just got to pull out all the old foil that was in the roof. Now I'll just actually show you what I'm talking about. So this is the foil insulation that was up there, and as you can see, silver on one side, really dirty from being in the roof for 20 years. Now, even if that actually was supposed to reflect heat, which it doesn't because there's no sunlight inside your roof, all the sun's rays stop on the iron, so it's conducted heat from then on and it's not radiated heat. But even if it did, once it's covered in dust, it wouldn't work, right? So ignoring the fact that some people still argue that radiation goes into your roof, or radiated heat, and that it's not all just conductive heat, once it's covered in dust, it's probably not going to work. And it's the same with this bubble wrappy type of stuff. You know, again, a lot of that's sold for putting in sheds and things, but as soon as it's covered in dust, then it's totally useless. And it makes a great little home for rats and mice to build nests under, and we, you know, it's part of the reason why it's covered in rubbish. Now, normally in prepping a job, I don't have to wear all of this gear, but when there's old foil in a roof, this ends up with terrible amounts of dust on it. And here's some more coming out now. Anyway, thanks mate. Say hi to your Facebook fans. And I'll just show you, like, you know, environmentally, this insulation, it might, I think it was probably put in during the insulation grant in 2009, right? So it's been in there for 9 years. And it's getting pulled out because it's just rubbish, right? And that's the mountain of rubbish, right? So all that foil there came out of this roof, right? And we've got to bag it all up and take it to the dump, and then it just goes into landfill. Totally useless. Totally useless for anyone to use. You know, it's not going to break down for 100 million years or whatever because it's all plastic, right? And as a product, it just didn't work in the first place. So like, if anybody's trying to sell you foil to put in your roof, you know, like, there's an argument that you're looking after my business because in 10 years time I'll need some work. But the cellulose fibre insulation, you put it in, lifetime guarantee. I've been back to jobs with cellulose after 30 years. Even just the other day I was on one that after 30 years the guy was very happy, but 30 years ago it was a different contractor put it in and he just hadn't done it right. And so even though it wasn't installed properly, it still worked really well, did its job for 30 years. The guy was really happy. He just wanted me to come and do his garage because he couldn't afford to get it done at the same time, right? But then 30 years later I'm looking at the job going, no rats, no mice, you know, no bad dust smell in the roof because of the rats and mice and things, and the product was great. Now, if you ever needed to replace ceilings or do things like that, the cellulose fibre can be vacuumed out. Vacuum it out, doesn't go in landfill. Well, not with our company. Some companies chuck it in landfill or whatever they want to do with it, but for us, we just send it back to the factory, recondition it, make sure it's got the borax in it to the right standard still, which it should do. It just depends on the manufacturer that was making it in the first place. But then we just put it back into a roof again. Like, it's going to last forever. It doesn't get dust on it and then get ruined. It doesn't get mice in it and then get ruined like bats do. It doesn't settle or degrade over time, you know. It's just a fantastic product. But anyway, so now that we've pulled out the foil here, we're going to get in, do the pump in cellulose fibre. It's going to be a lot better insulated from now on. So like, comment, subscribe, share, and this is why I recommend the cellulose, because it's far more environmentally friendly, does a far better job for fire, for vermin, and it doesn't settle or break down over time, and just, you know, like in 30 years, it's the only one that I haven't had problems with over the time. So as a product, it's the only one I put in my mother's house. So yeah, anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share.